Lesson 5, using volume in the real world. Essential question, how do I use volume to solve real world problems? There are 5 steps. First one is to read the real world problem. Step 2 is to circle important data and underline keywords. I'm going to do data and keywords. Okay, third step is to determine the volume formula needed. Fourth step, substitute the given measures. And the fifth step, solve for the missing measure and round if needed. Okay, so let's use these 5 steps to do these 6 problems. Number 1, the volcano Paracutin in Mexico has a height of 410 meters and a radius of 212 meters. Approximate the volume of the volcano. Okay, so we did step 1, now we're going to do step 2. Circle the data and underline keywords. So height of 410, radius of 212, and it's asking for volume. Okay, step 3, determine the formula needed. Well, we know a volcano is the shape of a cone, so that is the formula we're going to use. 1/3 pi r squared h. Next, we're going to substitute. Okay, so we're trying to find volume. Substitute 3.14 for pi. Our radius is 212. And our height is 410. Have some big numbers here. Okay, so we're going to take care of 212 squared first. Okay, 212 squared is 44,944. Okay, so now we're ready to multiply all the rest together. And the volume of the volcano is 19,286,968 and 53 hundredths meters cubed. Okay, number 2, Grant has a can of Pringles. It has a diameter of 3 inches and a height of 9 inches. What is the volume of the can? Okay, so we have diameter of 3, height of 9, asking for volume. So a can of Pringles is shaped like a cylinder. So that is the formula we're going to need. Now we're ready to substitute. So diameter of 3, we need the radius. So if the diameter is 3, then the radius is half, 1.5. Now let's substitute. Okay, so we're going to find 1.5 squared. Okay, multiply those together. The volume of the Pringles can is 63 59 cubic inches. Number 3, Anthony's basketball has a radius of 4.7 inches. What is its volume? Okay, so we have a radius of 4.7 and it's asking for volume. So we're going to use a volume formula for a sphere. Substitute the given measures. And now we're going to find 4.7 cubed first. Which is 103.823. All right, calculate those and we get 434.67 inches cubed. All right, number 4. Sarah plays a snare drum that has a radius of 6 inches and a volume of 452.16 cubic inches. What is the drum's height? Okay, so we have a radius of 6, volume of 452.16, and it wants to know what the height is. So we need to use the formula for a cylinder because that's the shape of a snare drum. Substitute the given values. So we were given volume. Radius is 6. And height is what we're trying to find. Okay, let's take care of 6 squared. So 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, now let's multiply these together. We get 113.04 times height. Okay, solving for height, we need to divide both sides by 113.04. Which gives us 4 inches for the height. Number 5, the green turtle lays eggs that are spherical. Each egg's average diameter is 4.5 centimeters. What is the approximate volume of each egg? So spherical is important to know. The diameter is 4.5 centimeters, and we are asked to find the volume. Okay, so this is diameter. We need radius. So if the diameter is 4.5, that means the radius is 2.25, half of that. So we're going to start with our formula for a sphere. Substitute. Okay, we're going to find this first. Okay, now multiply all the values. So the green turtle's egg is approximately 47 69 centimeters cubed. Number 6, Harmony volunteers at a concession stand filling cone-shaped bags with popcorn. If each bag has a volume of 167.5 cubic inches and a height of 10 inches, what is the radius? Okay, so we have cone-shaped bags. We have volume of 167.5. We have height of 10, and we are being asked to find the radius. So we're going to start with volume formula for a cone. Substitute 167.5 for volume. We do not know radius, but we do know that the height is 10. Okay, so let's multiply these together first. And I get 31.4. Okay, so now we're going to take care of those, and we get 10.47. And we're going to divide both sides by 10.47 to get 16. Find the square root of both sides. So that means that the radius is 4 inches.